found a rhyme for all your reasons, bleeding, but you don't see it. My heart against my head, internal treason. You kissed me one night, you never thought twice. Now I'm a punchline, at least that means I'm something to you. I'm so sick and tired of following the light of stars that already died. Am I just chasing anything that shines? Baby, you're so unaware, and it's not your fault. You don't care, it's like leaving up my Christmas lights in June. It's embarrassing how long I wait for you. So you go, knowing I'll fly